Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lemon and raspberry swirls. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in your lemon zest, followed by the strong white bread flour and the salt, then whisk together until they are fully combined. Once combined, you can then go ahead and add in the remainder of your ingredient, which is just simply yeast, sugar and the milk, not forgetting the oil. Then mix on a low speed, start working up to a medium-high speed, and the dough should pull away from the sides of the bowl, so keep mixing until it does. May seem like it's taking a while, but believe me, it does, and it should look like this. It should almost clear the bowl. Once it does, you can place onto a lightly floured surface, and then just give a brief knead until you can bring it into a smoother ball. Once it's smooth, bring it into a ball shape, then place into a lightly oiled bowl, then cover with cling film and leave somewhere warm for 45 minutes to an hour, or until the dough has doubled in size. Once it's doubled in size, you can then knock the dough back. This is just a process of removing the gases and rolling out the dough. Roll it out and then top with your raspberry jam. I'm using homemade, but feel free to use store-bought if that's what you can get or have got to hand. You don't need to make anything special for this recipe. Then spread the jam out as best as you possibly can. I will leave all the measurements and everything you need in the description, in the blog post, which will be in the description down below, so don't forget to check it out. Once you're happy with your jam being spread out, you can then go ahead and cut the dough up into 12 equal or as equal as possible pieces. I didn't do that very well this time. Then roll them up and place them into your 9x13 inch pan, leaving a little space in between for them to batch up while they're proving. Once you've got a full tray, you can then cover loosely with cling film and leave somewhere warm for around 45 minutes to an hour until the dough has doubled in size again, and it should be pretty close to the top of the tin, and they should be batched up together, looking somewhat like this. Once they are, you can go ahead and bake them off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. So just after your swirls have been removed from the oven, you can go ahead and make the glaze. To make the glaze, it's really easy. Grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your icing sugar, your cream cheese, your butter and vanilla, and then just whisk until everything is well combined and you're looking for a smooth and glossy mixture. It should be like a kind of palish yellow colour, and that's what you're looking for, and keep whisking until it's smooth, and believe me, it's well worth it. So it should look something like this, and to me this is easily one of the best things that I've ever made, because the glaze is just so simple and works really well with the bread. So then take your buns, which are still kind of warm, and just top them with the cream cheese icing. Then just spread and level it out as best as you possibly can, ensuring even coverage. And once you're happy, you can then go ahead and just finish them. Feel free to add some more lemon zest if you'd like, or top with some freeze-dried raspberry. That would work really well as well, but you can just leave them like this like I have, and they taste amazing. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.